Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this glass vase and candle holder, both from Dollar Tree. I start by adding a layer of Mod Podge to the outside of the vase. I don't do the bottom. Once I have that covered in the Mod Podge, I take Epsom salt and I sprinkle it over all of the Mod Podge. Kind of pat it down to make sure it's stuck on there. And just do that process until I have it completely covered all the way around. After I have that covered, I'm using this high gloss coating by Rust-Oleum and just spray a layer all the way around that. This will help to prevent the Epsom salts from flaking off. I then take the candle holder and cover that with ink colored chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. I dry that completely and then add a layer of this matte varnish by Waverly. Just one coat on all the areas that I had painted it. That'll help prevent chipping. Once that's done, I take Gorilla Grip clear glue as well as hot glue and add that to the top of the candle holder. And then place down the vase. Once that's set on there, I'm hot gluing some pine picks as well as some red berries to the front. Next, I'll be using these fairy lights I got from Amazon, as well as a piece of Velcro I got from Dollar Tree. I take the fairy lights and I'm placing those inside the vase. And then I add the Velcro to the battery pack. And then place that on the inside of the vase where I'll be able to reach turning that on and off. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.